All right there, boys and girls. Here we are, day 5 of our March daily math. Number 1 says, write the next 3 even numbers. Well, starting at 12, 14, 16, 18. They're all even, right? Every other number. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, number 2 says, write the next 3 odd numbers. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, this rectangle has blank rows and blank columns. How many small squares are inside? So, first let's count our rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we have 5 rows. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 columns. So that means there's 10 going up and down, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 rows going across. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows of 10. How many small squares are inside? So how many squares total is that? Well, 5 rows of 10, that'd be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, right? So you can think of it as either 5 times 10 or 10 times 5. So you can count by 5s 10 times, count by 10 5 times. All right, number 4, show Finn where 65 is on the number line. Put a dot at 65 and label it. Okay, well there's 50 and 60, and there's a halfway between both, which would be 55. 60, 70, so halfway between would be 65. So we're going to label it, and we're going to put a dot there. Okay, so show Finn where 65 is. We did. And put a dot at 65 and labeled it. We labeled it. We got our dot. Good to go. Number 5. This is part of a necklace Anne made. There are 16 beads in the whole necklace. The beads follow a pattern. How many noodles are in Anne's whole necklace? Okay, this is only part of a necklace that Anne made. So there's more to it than just this. There are 16 beads in the whole necklace. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we only have 8 of them. Okay? The beads follow a pattern. So I see the line thing and then 1, 2, 3. The line thing and then 1, 2, 3. So basically, because we know that there are 16 beads total, and there's 8 beads on this one, it's 2 of these. Okay? Because 8 is half of 16. If there's 16 total beads and there's 8 on this, 8 more beads would make 16, right? 8 plus 8 is 16. So we want to know the beads follow a pattern. Okay, great. A, B, B, B. A, B, B, B. Okay? So how many of these noodles, or bees as we just said, are in the whole necklace? Well, if there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on this half, and the other half has to be the exact same, 6 on this one plus 6 on this one would make, 12 of those macaroni noodle beads, or whatever you want to call them, right? So great job. That was a tough one. Way to work hard and figure this out, okay? See you tomorrow for day number 6.